in Google Slides so that you can just keep adding them to your document. So I want to create a master slide that has an instruction page for my students. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to slide and then put edit master. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up a bunch of different options. It doesn't super matter which one you choose, but I'm going to pick this top layout and I'm going to use this. I'm going to rename it and I want to call it student breakout room choices. Then I'm going to press OK. So I don't want this here. I don't want this here. And I'm going to do the same editing that I would normally do to create my slide. So I can add my background. I want to do a wood paneling, so I'm going to choose that. And then I want to add a couple different shapes because I want to give kids 4 options. So I'm going to add one shape here. And then I'm going to copy and paste the same shape so that it lines up across here. And then, so I have it all the way across. And then I can just add whatever I want to the slide. So if I want to add a text box, I can add my text box here that says breakout room 1. And that's work independently. And then I can change the font and I can do whatever I want in this slide so that students can see it. And okay. And then I would just keep going and I would keep making this slide. So now this is one of my layouts is student breakout room choices. And so now I can X out. If I want to add a new slide that's the exact same thing, I can just press slide, press new slide. And then where I go here where it says apply layout, I can actually just click that right there and it'll go right into my slideshow. This works super well if you're using the same things over and over and over again. It's already in there and ready to go.